morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to plan with you in my Erin Condren A5 Ring Agenda Daily Planner. It's just such a mouthful. If you don't know, these Erin Condren now sells ring planners, and they sell them in the daily planner, they sell them in a horizontal weekly planner, and an A5 focus planner. I use all three. But I'm just going to show you how I plan in this one for one day, Friday, which is today. So I usually take this page out because I have to go back to my weekly planner, which is the A5 Focus Planner, which is right here. And then I take a look at this and see what my plans are for today. So it's Friday. I don't know if you can see this up here. Maybe not. Here's Fridays. Obviously I'm up, so I got up at 6, so I'm gonna write that in here. And then I'm planning right now. And at 7:30, I will be getting ready. So I just put ready, but it's actually, you know, getting dressed and ready for the day. And then at 8 a.m. I take my meds, so I put that here with a little checkbox, and I give the cat and the dog their fresh water, so I write water with a little checkbox. And then still getting ready here. Oops, that's not a very straight line. I guess we're gonna have a crooked line today. At 9:45, my mother-in-law picks me up and we go walking. Until about 11:30. So then I have my lunch and I get on with the day. So what I need to get done with today is Friday. I have to pay a bill. So I'm going to put that over here, pay bill. I should have put something underneath here because this table's a little rough. Pay bill. And then I have to continue cleaning out my studio that's in the basement, which I have moved up here, which is where we are. But I have so much craft stuff left down there that I need to donate or throw away or bring up here and figure out where to put it. So studio declutter continued. I started it last Friday. I'm only working on Fridays. I figure that way then it won't be as overwhelming. Now let's see, what else do I have in here? I've got my wellness in here. Anything else that goes on here? Wellness, financial. I think that's all for other parts of this planner. So for home today, I also need to get my laundry put away. Did laundry yesterday, but it needs to be put away today. And I'm going to tidy the kitchen. Hopefully these two things will be done before I go for a walk. And then for dinner tonight, we're having breakfast for dinner, so Brinner. And then I'm trying to think what else for home. What else do I need to get done today? Let me see if I didn't finish anything yesterday. Oops, that'll be on the back of here. Oh, that's right, at 9:30. I wanted to add that in here. I guess we could probably put it up here, 9:30. Probably should put another sticker here, would be better. Do I have any of this color? No, I have black ones. Sorry for my reach here. Let's see what colors I've got. A thin one. Here, black. Yep, I do have a green one. Should I use this green or I'm going to use the black. So at 9:30, where can I fit this one there? I guess maybe we'll put it at 9 since I have the walking in there. I have a video that's going up And actually, it's this video, so I really got to get it. Holy cow, I didn't leave myself much time. I got to edit this and get this up. I have a lot to do. Good thing it's early. I can kind of stick this over here. Okay. Anything else quick? Because I got to get to editing this video. So I'm going to put that on here too. Edit. Upload. This video. And I'm hoping, yeah, I'm hoping to maybe do some other videos today. Oh, I can't because I'm going to be downstairs. That's right. It's not a work day. No work day. No work day except for this, which I have to do right away. And then for decluttering, I need to get the garbage out of there. And then maybe move some crafts up here. And then there's also a table I'm thinking of moving. Move table. I'm not sure where that's going to go yet. So I'm going to put a question mark after that. And I think that's good for now. Obviously, this will be out on my desk today, so I'll be writing in other things that I do and times that I get done. But I do have to go right now and get this video edited and up so you can watch it at 9:30, because right now it's about 6:30. Let's stick that. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. Let me stick my stickers back in here and get this page back in here and get going. So until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.